Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about the functionality of managing posting periods using the app available from SAP S4 HANA Finance 1809. Previously, for the same functionality of open-close posting period, we were using T-code OB52. In the SAP Fiori Launchpad, in the Search in Apps area, type Manage Posting Periods and press Enter. The Manage Posting Period tile appears. Click on the tile. In the screen that appears next, enter the posting period variant and the fiscal year variant and press Go. Alternatively, you can click here to show up more options, and you could choose the posting period variant from the options there and then press Go. Here for our demo, I have chosen posting period variant 0001, which is linked to leading ledger 0L. So it automatically brought A0 fiscal year variant, as this fiscal year variant is assigned to the leading ledger 0L. Fiscal year variant A0 is a calendar year with 12 normal posting periods and 4 special posting periods. Remember, entering a posting period variant and a fiscal year variant is mandatory. You could further set filters by account type and accounts and then click on Go. Please note the 6 items are 6 account types, plus that is valid for all account types. A is assets, D customers, K for suppliers, M for materials and S for GL accounts. Please remember the account range mentioned here is GL account. 0 to ZZZ means it includes all the GL accounts of the chart of accounts that is assigned to the company code and which belongs to this particular account type in the row. Please note, only for account type plus, you maintain periods for all the 3 posting periods, that is normal posting periods, adjustment posting periods and CO related posting periods. For the rest of the account types, you can maintain period for normal posting periods and adjustment posting periods only and not for CO related periods. You need to choose each one of the account type to open the period. Notice the red color here for the normal period and the CO related period, which means the period previously maintained is incorrect. Now once you choose the account type and posting period variant, the Set Posting Period button gets activated. Click on the Set Posting Period button. Checking the account type plus, and when clicking on the Set Posting Periods button, 3 options comes up. Option Open Periods can be chosen to manually maintain periods. So now in this demonstration, we will first try this manual maintenance of periods. So click on Open Period. While clicking on Open Period takes you to the next screen. Here you could see For account type plus, you can maintain periods for normal period, adjustment period, and CO related postings. Choose normal period tab. Make an entry for the from fiscal year and period and the to fiscal year and period and click on OK. Once you click OK, it brings you back to Manage Posting Period app screen. Now you could notice the green color here, which means the periods are now correctly maintained. In addition to normal periods, you can also change adjustment periods and CO periods to meet your needs by following the same method. Now let's work with the next option, schedule to run once. Click and choose the next item, assets, and the option schedule to run once. On the screen that next appears, enter the fiscal year from and the period and fiscal year to and the period. Also choose the date and time settings and click on OK. Once you click on OK, the system brings you back to the main screen and flashes message that it might take a while to process. You could click on the refresh button. Once you click on refresh button, you could now see that the task of opening a period is scheduled for the next execution time as selected by you. Now let's check the third option, schedule recurrence. As usual, select the item for which you want to maintain period automatically through recurrence. That is, the period here is now maintained automatically on a scheduled date and time which recurs every period. Now, before we proceed, let's have a look into this SAP note on scheduled recurrence. As per this note, the function schedule recurrence can only be used for items which do not contain special periods. That is, you can use this function only when you have defined a fiscal period for an item which includes only one calendar year. That is, the normal periods should start 1st of January and end 31st of December. So, what if the item involves special periods? In all such cases, you will have to schedule all jobs individually. That is, choose the second option, schedule to run once. Else, maintain them manually using the option open periods. Since we know that schedule recurrence option works only for calendar year, we first need to correct this to include only Jan to December periods. Now choose the item, manually maintain the normal period, for example from January 2019 to December 2019. Next, manually open period of 2020 January. You do this manually by choosing the option Open Periods. Once done, Select the option Set Posting Periods, Schedule Recurrence. Once you click on the Schedule Recurrence, the screen appears. Please note here that only normal periods can be maintained through option Schedule Recurrence. You could open the next periods or close the previous period or both by choosing the appropriate checkbox. You have several options to choose from for scheduling the maintenance of period on recurring basis. Like you could schedule the execution of automatic maintenance of period on a particular calendar date of every month in a particular year at a particular time. Maintain the required parameters and press OK. Once you pressed OK, it brings you to this screen. Once you click on the refresh button, you could now see here the next execution date updated against the item, and on that scheduled date and time, the system shall automatically open the period. If you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to see more such videos, please comment here below. Stay tuned in for more videos on S4HANA Finance. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel where I post such educative videos in SAP. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.